What's going on, everybody? Give me 1 second. So here I am, gonna review the JRL 1040s, but also at the same time. So have y'all seen when people do their waves and they want to start the waving process over, so they cut their waves down? So let me see if I can. I am a official distributor of Gibbs beard products. I will leave a link down below for their website, but if you're in the Knoxville area, I have everything you need here, right? So I'm gonna restart my beard, but I'm gonna start using all their products. I got the shampoo and conditioner, got me a good old brush to start everything with, keep everything right. Got me some balm and then some oil. And I also make my own beard oil, so I'm gonna have that on hand as well. So we're gonna talk about these clippers. Now, these clippers are a little bit tricky for me for a few different reasons. Let me see, let me put this on real quick. For a few different reasons, right? First off, the price point is pretty good. I had it in a package, the 1040 package, which last video, I for some reason couldn't remember what the name of it was, but that's what it was. The 1040 package came with the backpack and everything, right? So I'm gonna tell y'all this, it's been so long since I cut my beard down, but I haven't been taking care of it like I should. So we're gonna just start it over, and we're gonna be using the 1040 clippers. Now, in my last video, I was showing you how they open. You know, you push that up, pull that down, push it up, pull it down, right? So I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna cut my beard 5 o'clock shadow. Don't judge me, I'm gonna look freaking crazy, right? So with these clippers, I do love them. They're very quiet while you're cutting, okay? They open up to a 1, like a regular clipper with a lever. It's just the design of it is different, right? I love this clipper. So this is why it's gonna be a little bit tricky, because I love this clipper, but I will not be using this clipper, okay? So I love it because it's very quiet. As you can see, it got the, as y'all can see, a forced air cooling system. It's very quiet. It got 4 different speeds. Beautiful, all right? But the only thing about it I don't like, and it lasts very long. It lasts for a while. And I use this, but the only problem that I have is, if y'all can see the last video, I don't have any here. If y'all see my last video, give me 1 second, because I want y'all to understand what I'm talking about. So in my last video, I was saying I did not like the way that they guards were put together, with the 2 sides, you know, being the guards. And that's one reason I didn't like it. But going throughout the day and clipping these on, it took too much time for me to, and it could be because I'm not used to them, but it took me too much time trying to clip it on while I'm busy on a busy day trying to get my day going. So the main times I was using this was when I had maybe a kid and the mama just like, cut it down, cut it all the way down. Perfect for that. But in the sense of me using it throughout the day, I don't see me using it too much. Now I'm gonna put in a few clips that I was using it, like on tapers, the ball taper out a little bit. I was using them. But as far as that, y'all can see that I'm stalling because I really don't want to cut my beard, but I do want to cut my beard because sometimes you just have to retrain the growth. You have to keep it moisturized, and I'm not been taking care of my stuff. So while we waiting, let's just go ahead and start it. Woo! All the way open. As you can see, like, they cut so smooth. They cut so smooth. Look at that, dry skin, gray. So, as you can see, like I said, they cut smooth. Look, I look crazy. They cut smooth. I should leave my mustache like that. They cut real smooth. They're very quiet. They don't get hot whatsoever. Now, I'm not gonna put no line on it right now. I'm gonna let it grow back out a little bit more even because, ooh, I look crazy, right? But I want that line to be up high. So I'm gonna let it all grow in before I actually, because if I put a line on it right now, I know for a fact I'm gonna have it down here. Not for a fact, because I know how to cut my hair. But I want it to be more up here. So cutting it all down to one length. So look at that. Look at that. You can see my face. I know my mama gonna be happy because she always tell me to cut my beard down every now and then so she can see my face. There we go, mama. So overall with the 1040 clippers, the 1040 clippers are great clippers. They're just not so, and that's why this review is kind of different because the clipper is great. It stays cool. It's quiet. It cuts through any texture of hair. It got the 4 speeds. It lasts the hours that it says it's gonna last. I can see this being a great clipper for use. As far as me, with you transferring from guards and stuff like that, for me personally, I don't see me using it every day back to back like I would do with my JR 2020C. All right. So in short, because this video is long and it's really long because I got quiet and I was shaving my beard, right? But in short, do I recommend these clippers? Yes. Are they for everybody? No, they won't be. They are very good clippers. And I do think anyone in this barber industry should at least try these out. These are the JRL 1040 clipper, the FreshFade 1040. I think anybody who is in this barber industry and want to, you know, try things out, because of course, for the most part, I always end up going back to what I like. But every now and then, like the JRL 2020C or the Gamma Ergos, you can find spots to add new products in. This could be the clipper for you. And that's why, again, this review is a little two-sided because I recommend everybody try this at least. But I have realized that it's not for me. The trimmers, on the other hand, I tried them. No, I'll never. And that's one thing I've realized, that I am a huge fan of the corded T-outliners. I have not found, I don't use corded clippers anymore. I found clippers to just throw away corded clippers. But me personally, I've seen videos of people using the hard hitters, the Evos, the JRL 2020T, the corded the cordless T-outliners. I see people using them, like the Babeless Gold FXs. But for me personally, nothing beats the T-outliner, corded. And that's just my personal preference. That's why that's the only corded product that I have. All right, everything else is cordless in the sense of, you know, of course, my shavers and clippers. But all in all, yes, try these clippers. Give them a go. You will not be disappointed, but you may be disappointed, if that makes sense. All right. So, as you can see, shave my beard down. My wife is gonna be a little bit upset, right? Don't tell her that I did it, right? Because if you tell her that I did it, I'm gonna find you, and I'm gonna rip your front teeth out. If your tooth right there, I'm gonna knock all that out. Don't put a line on this mustache though. Now, with everything else, I'm gonna let it grow back out using my Guild products. Again, if you're in the Knoxville area, I sell the products. I'm gonna leave the link down below for their website if you wanna get some of the products. And I'm just gonna show you how using the right products. Ooh, look at that dry skin. See, this shows you that I haven't been doing what I'm supposed to on my beard. And I just been letting it go, all right? So, make sure you take care of your beard. Just like people take care of their waves, You gotta take care of your beard, man. And I used to, but I've been getting busy and I've been laxing. No excuses though. But we're gonna get a better growth because we're gonna be oiling it. We're gonna get a better growth because we're gonna be washing it. We're gonna get a better growth because we're gonna be brushing it, stimulating the skin, right? So everything's gonna come back. It's gonna be great. On the 1040s, yes. 1050 trimmers, no. Beard, take care of it. Gibbs oil, I sell it. If you like the video, please like the video. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not, all right? And then again, if you tell my wife that I cut my beard down like this, I'm gonna rip your teeth out. The two fronts though. I'm gonna leave all the backs in there. I'm gonna take the fronts out. We walking around here, yeah. Cuts by Reggie. Follow me on Instagram and anywhere else. Again, I'm gonna leave another link down below in the description because all my capes are Cuts by Reggie capes. This is one of my adults. I also got a few other adults. This is my kid cape. I get them done by Clipper T. So if y'all can see that, I'm gonna leave the description down below. Cuts by Reggie. Thank you for watching the video. We'll be back next week.